Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will learn more about food for good health. In the first part, I taught you about the need of the food. I told you that we need food for growth, to remain healthy, and for energy. We also read about different kinds of food. I taught you that there are three types of food: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods, one by one. First, the energy giving foods. As the name reveals, these are those foods which give us energy, and this energy is required by us to perform various work and activities and to play. There are a number of energy giving foods. For example, rice, wheat, potatoes, butter, cheese, and sugar. These are all the food items which provide us energy. Now coming to the second category of foods, bodybuilding foods. These are those food items which helps us to grow. These food items help us to grow. They build our bones and muscles, and as a result of this, we grow. For example, different kinds of pulses we take: milk, flesh, fish, eggs, etc. These are the different examples of bodybuilding foods. Now, the last category of foods is the protective foods. As the name reveals, these foods protect us from something. In fact, protective foods prevent us from falling sick, and these foods help us to stay healthy. Examples are different kinds of fruits. You can figure out that there are given different types of fruits and vegetables. All the fruits and vegetables, they come under the category of protective foods. Now, another important aspect of foods is the water. Water is one of the important items required by us. Our body, in fact, needs a lot of water. It is estimated that we require at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Dear students, how much water you take daily? Do you take the required amount of water what is needed? Kindly try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Water has some important functions for our body. Water helps us to digest the food. The food which we take, we know, the food which we eat goes into our stomach, and in the stomach it is digested. It is this water which helps us in digestion of food. At the same time, there are some material substances of our food which are not digested by our body. They are to be removed or thrown out from the body. It is the water which helps to throw out these undigested wastes from the body. Now, some important points. Point number 1. You must have observed your mother busy in the kitchen cooking various food items, because most of our food items require to be cooked before we eat. However, There are some vegetables also, like carrot and various fresh fruits, and in fact fresh fruits which we can eat raw. That means these vegetables, some of the vegetables and fruits required not to be cooked. We can eat them raw. One of the important food items is milk. It is very nutritious. In fact, it is the complete food for newborn. You might have observed this thing, that newborn only takes milk, because milk is the complete food for newborn. Growing children also has lot of needs of bodybuilding foods like eggs, pulses, milk, because a child continuously grows. A laborer is a person who does some work. He or she needs more food than the person working in an office, because he has more requirement of energy. And we must remember this point number 5. This is very important. We must take diet. We can't take diet comprising of a single food item. In fact, we must take diet that has different food items in right amount at fixed times. For example, our diet must be a combination of cereals, pulses, milk, salad, green vegetables, and fruits. And we have to take it in right amount, not too much, not too less, and at fixed times, not that we will continuously keep on taking the food. With this, we conclude the chapter. I hope you enjoyed watching this lecture. Thank you all.